इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू JEE 2024 एस्पिरेंट्स एंड आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्यों आप में से ज्यादातर बच्चे IIT एग्जाम क्लियर ही नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। एंड डोंट टेक इट एज सम काइंड ऑफ अ थ्रेट, डोंट टेक इट एज सम काइंड ऑफ अ डांट और सम काइंड ऑफ अ स्कोल्डिंग बिकॉज यू प्रॉब्ली नीड इट। एंड मेरा काम यहाँ पे ये नहीं है कि मैं आपको कुछ पढ़ा दूं, पढ़ाई आप कर लोगे, मुझे पता है। आपको जरूरत है राइट डायरेक्शन में पुश की, और वो पुश देने आज मैं आया हूं। आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ यू विल नॉट क्लियर JEE if you make these mistakes, if you don't realize what I'm going to tell you in this video, okay? So if you are someone जिसको करना ही नहीं एग्जाम, या बस ऐसी हंसी मजे में आया है कि अरे ठीक है वह हो जाएगा, then you should unsubscribe right now. You should not watch this channel. You should leave this video right now and go back to whatever stupid lame video you were watching. You can go back to whatever stupid chatting you were doing. You can go back to whatever stupid TV show, whatever you were doing, which is not studies, okay? I don't care. You can go there. You can watch that. But if you are serious about clearing this exam, if you want to actually get into an IIT, if you want to not waste your 1 year just like you've been wasting your life so far, only then in that case subscribe, press the notifications and watch this video, okay? So सीधी बात करते हैं, why you will not get IIT, okay? Statistics की बात करें एकदम प्रॉपर, ठीक है। ये एग्जाम लगभग 10 लाख बच्चे देते हैं, ठीक है। अब आई डोंट केयर इफ एनी ऑफ यू से कि अरे पिछले साल 8 लाख बच्चे ही आए थे, 9 लाख ही आए थे। यू डोंट नो इफ इट्स गोइंग टू बी 10 लाख दिस ईयर। एंड देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स जो इसमें रिकॉर्ड नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स JEE में ना देके स्टेट लेवल की एग्जाम देते हैं। तो मोर और लेस यू आर कंपीटिंग विद 10 लाख स्टूडेंट्स फॉर योर इंजीनियरिंग सीट। उसमें से 10,000 स्टूडेंट सेलेक्ट होते हैं, रेशियो निकल के आता है 1%। डू यू रियलाइज हाउ स्मॉल 1% इज? डू यू नो व्हाट 1% इज? इट मींस कि 100 लोगों को अगर हम खड़ा करेंगे ऐसे करके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, देन ओनली वन ऑफ देम दिस मच, दिस इज 1%। और ये तो अच्छा से मैंने बनाया भी नहीं है। So this is 1%. You have to be in this 1%. Do you think it's easy? Because you have to leave 99 other people behind. There will be 99 people. So you can imagine it like this. You will be sitting in an exam hall on your JEE day, right? उस एग्जाम हॉल में केवल एक बच्चा है जो आगे बढ़ेगा, ठीक है। Everyone else, 99 people will not get this. Are you understanding the graveness of this? Are you understanding how serious this is? Or are you still thinking कि you are doing some stupid shit before watching this video? Do you think that is how you're going to clear this exam? No, you won't. You simply cannot, because you have to do this. This is not easy, okay? If this was 10% or 20%, then ठीक है, it would still have been possible, because 80% people in this world are anyway stupid, right? That's not hard. Any of you can get into top 20%, which you probably are. If you're subscribed to this channel, you probably are a smart kid. I'm not saying you are a dumb kid. I'm not saying, but for this you have to be super smart. You have to literally be a genius if you want to be in top 1%, right? So you are probably already here if you are subscribed, if you are someone who actually watches these videos instead of watching some lame video, ठीक है, you are already here, but you have to be here and it's not easy. Oh, by the way, I forgot something. If you're new to the channel and you're not aware of my course for JEE 24, it's at a 50% discount till 6th of June, which is I think tomorrow, right? So today and tomorrow is the last day to get it at a low price. It's actually still a high price, but it's a good course, so you can check it. But again, I don't want people who are casually preparing for this exam कि ठीक है ऐसे ही चल रहा है. If you have that kind of attitude, this course is not for you and this channel is also not for you. But if you are a serious aspirant who actually will study this, who actually trusts in me that, you know, if I get guidance under someone who has achieved the rank 1, then I can also get into an IIT. If you actually believe this, if you're someone who is going to work hard, then take this course. It will change your life, okay? It literally will change your life, because see, every course is the same, everywhere the material is the same, because everywhere the physics is the same, right? But इस कोर्स में डिफरेंस क्या है कि ये मैंने बनाया है, तो आप इसको लोगे, आपके अंदर एक मोटिवेशन रहेगी कि यार इसे मैं पढ़ना है, because A, you have paid for it, and B, because I am the one teaching it. Because आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, it means to some extent you are motivated by me, you find my words moving, right? So here I will actually be moving you while actually delivering my content with you, okay? मैंने कई चीज़ें तो खुद रिकॉर्ड की है, and my team has also done it, and the curriculum and everything is designed by me only. So आपको पसंद आएगा, कल तक आपसे ले सकते हैं. Back to this. So you want to be here. The problem with a lot of people is that they don't see the big picture. Okay, let me show you the big picture. So why are you doing this JEE prep? Why are you doing this? Are you doing this to clear your JEE advanced? Are you doing this to get into IIT? No, that's not why you're doing JEE prep. I'll tell you why. Most of you are not. You're just looking at your immediate environment, okay? So let's say this is your classroom, this is people who know you, people around you, okay? And they're in your coaching. So these are the people in your circle, right? And this is IIT, okay? You think that means IIT or this exam is a part of your life. and this is your entire life, right? But what you don't realize is, like right now IT is a big part of your life, right? It's probably 30-40% of your time bandwidth, right? But what you don't realize is that this is your life. Okay, this is your life. It is just a small part of it. What this thing is doing is to set you up for your further life. So हम ये preparation क्यों कर रहे हैं, हम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because at some level we want to be successful, right? We want to be millionaires, we want to be billionaires, we want to have an impact on this world, we want to give a good life to our loved ones, to ourselves, right? To accomplish some dreams. That's why you're doing this prep, right? Now if there is anyone on this channel who is viewing this video और उसको लगता है कि okay नहीं, मुझे तो ये सब नहीं करना है, I just want a happy life, I just want, you know, some 1 lakh rupees per month or something like that, then don't prepare for this exam. Okay, you are mediocre and you can always do some other thing to do that. Okay, if you want a mediocre life, if you want कि हाँ ठीक है जैसा चल रहा है बढ़िया है, work life balance, study life balance, if you want those things, go to your friends, कोई अच्छी मूवी लगी होगी, just watch it. Okay, this channel is not for you, all this discussion is not for you, none of this is for you. Okay, this IIT is not for you, this course is not for you, this channel is not for you. A lot of people say that, you know, आप बहुत ज़्यादा अपने कोर्स को पुश करते हो. I'm not pushing it, I'm just saying it. You should not take it if you are this kind of a student जिसके लिए ये सब important नहीं है. If you just want an average life, if you just want a mediocre thing going on, if you just want some 50-60,000, 1 lakh, something like that, don't do it. You don't need to do it. If you want to get into an IIT, then you have to do something worthy of being an IITian with your life, right? You have to be impactful, you have to get rich, you have to be financially, you have to do all of those things. And what you're doing during your JEE prep is setting yourself up for that. Because, I will tell you why. If you want to be successful in your further life, what are the things that you need? You need discipline, okay? You need hard work. You need skills. You need to learn. You need to do all of these things, okay? And when you're preparing for your JEE, you are learning all of these things. You are learning new things. You are learning new skills. You are learning new mathematical skills. You are learning new chemistry skills. You are learning new physics skills, right? You have to work hard and you have to be disciplined. If you don't do these things in your business, in your corporate life, in your research, or whatever the hell it is that you're trying to do, then you will not get into the 1%. Okay, you will not get into the 1%. Okay, and this 1% is just people who are actually giving this exam. If you look at the world, do you know what's the population of the world? I'll tell you one other thing. Okay, I was telling on my other channels, I have 2 other channels, one for students of class 9-10 and one for college students, right? So on my other channels, I was discussing this. Okay, what's the population of the world? It's 8 billion, right? Do you know what a billion is? This is 8 billion. Now, if you are in the top 1% of this world, then what's your standing? You just move 2 zeros, right? You are in the, I think it's 80 million. So do you want to be 1 in 80 million? 80 million is 8 crores. Do you want to be 1 in 8 crores? No. Do you think people remember 8 crore people in the world? They don't. Right? People remember maybe 8,000 people in the world. Maybe people remember 80,000 people in the world. That's the maximum amount that people remember, right? Do you think that there are 80,000 people who are known in this world? Not really, right? So you want to be in the top 8,000 people. So what's the percentage? Okay, if we calculate the percentage, then what's this? 1 in 1,000. Okay. If you actually want to be remembered in this world, if you actually want to be somewhat impactful in this world, you have to be 1 in 10,000. Sorry, 1 in 1,000. Okay. That's how brutal this world is. That even if you are 1 in 1,000, like this is just 1 in 100, right? But even if you are 1 in 1,000 in this world, you are still at 80,000 position. Okay. Now, don't you want to be at first? Don't you want to be at 100? Don't you want to be at 1,000? Why do you want to be 8,000, right? Why do you want to be at 80,000, right? You have to be in the top 1,000. You have to be in the top 100. You have to be in the top 10. You have to be in the top 1. Now, obviously, not everyone has to want it, which is what I'm saying. I want you to look at the bigger picture and I want you to envision yourself among these 80,000, among these 8,000, among these 80, among these 8, among the first person on this world, right? You have to envision yourself as that, because that is why you're doing all of this. Why are you struggling so much at the age of 18? So that when you're 40, so that when you're 50, you can be like Elon Musk, you can be like Mark Zuckerberg, you can be someone like them, you can be at the first position here. That's why you're doing this, right? So if you want that, then listen to me. If you don't want that, then again I'm telling you, you should immediately unsubscribe from this channel. You should not go to my website ever again. You should never see my courses. Don't do it. If you have bought my course, don't study it, because I want you to do these things only if you want to be here. If you want to be here. If you want to be here. okay? Only then you should do these things. And if you have made your mind कि यार हाँ हमें यहाँ पे आना है, okay, then आपको कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है किसी वीडियो की, बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम विद मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइज इज कि आपके अंदर से वो मोटिवेशन नहीं, आप अंदर से सोच नहीं रहे, यू आर नॉट सीइंग द बिगर पिक्चर, यू आर नॉट सीइंग व्हाट विल हैपन एज यू ग्रो अप, ओके? अभी आपके चारों ओर आपको क्या दिखता है कि एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू इज टेकन केयर ऑफ, राइट? योर फूड, योर लिविंग, योर एवरीथिंग यू वांट, ओके? यू हैव अ कार, योर फैमिली इज अ कार, वेयर यू वांट टू गो, ओके? बट व्हेन यू ग्रो अप you will have to get these things for your own, right? You will have to buy the car on your own, you will have to everyone wants at some point in their life, don't you want a Lamborghini? You don't want a Ferrari, you don't want any of those things, you don't want the good things in life, you want them, right? And you will not get them by sitting around. So right now you're just seeing your small picture, you're just your classroom, that ठीक है हमें मतलब क्लास में 10 लोग हैं, हमें फर्स्ट पे आ जाना है. No, क्लासरूम इतना बड़ा है. This is the real classroom. This is the real classroom. And by the way, by the time we grow up, by the time you grow up, by the time you are 40, 50, this might be even 10 billion. Okay, ये क्लासरूम है. 10 लोगों का क्लासरूम नहीं है आपके जो कोचिंग का है. 100 लोगों का क्लासरूम नहीं है. The classroom is this big. Okay, it is this big. And ये जो आप कर रहे हो ना IIT prep, this is the first step of it. Okay, so what you must do is कि आपको, आप अगर IIT क्लियर कर लेते हो, आप अगर JEE क्लियर करके इसमें आ जाते हो ना 1% में, तो आप ऑलरेडी इस नंबर के काफी क्लोज आ रहे हो. मतलब ये क्या 0.1% है, राइट? एंड दिस इज 1%. सो आप अगर IIT में पहुंच जाते हो ना, दैट इटसेल्फ इज ब्रिंगिंग यू इनटू टॉप 1%, ओके? और उसके बाद यू जस्ट हैव टू वर्क अ लिटिल मोर हार्ड इन योर कॉलेज, अ लिटिल मोर हार्ड ड्यूरिंग योर प्लेसमेंट्स और वॉट एवर यू स्टार्ट योर स्टार्टअप, जो भी है, टू गेट हियर. एंड फिर इस 80,000 से 8,000, 8,000 से 800, 800 से 80 का सफर आसान हो जाता है. Which is why it is so important to prepare for this exam, because it is the easiest way to get here. क्योंकि याद रखना हमारा eventual goal ये है, this is our eventual goal, and ये हमारा क्या रहेगा अभी immediate या temporary goal, and you have to achieve this one as well, okay? Because ये achieve किया तो ये मिल जाएगा. और आप लोग बड़ी पिक्चर सोचो कि आप लोग जो देखते रहते हो ना ड्रीम लाइफ, वो ये है, एंड वहां तक जाने का रास्ता क्या है? रास्ता है ये, ओके? सो यू हैव 2 choices now. You wasted your 11th, right? आप अभी 11th के बाद 12th भी वेस्ट कर सकते हो. You can, your choice. Maybe most of you will, and most of you will. I know you, most of you will. ये सब थोड़ी जाने वाले, सब थोड़ी कुछ बड़ा कर लेंगे. Not everyone can be here. 1% में सब थोड़ी आएंगे, 99% में आएंगे ज़्यादातर लोग तो. So most of you will not do it. But if you can change yourself, and you will change yourself, then in 1 year you can be here. ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. लोग ड्रॉप ईयर में पता नहीं क्या क्या कर लेते हैं. इफ यू आर ड्रॉपिंग फ्रॉम JEE 2023, लाइक कल ही तो एडवांस हुआ था. इफ यू आर ड्रॉपिंग यू कैन गेट हियर. इफ यू आर इन क्लास 12th यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट, ओके? इट्स ऑल इनसाइड योर हेड. आपको किसी स्ट्रैटेजी की, किसी बुक की, किसी मोटिवेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको बस ये रियलाइज करना है कि यू वांट टू बी हियर, एंड डोंट यू वांट टू बी हियर. यू डोंट वांट टू बी हियर, यू डोंट वांट हियर, ओके? आर यू स्टूपिड? यू डोंट वांट टू बी हियर, यू डोंट वांट टू बी इन दिस लिस्ट, यू डोंट वांट टू बी इन दिस लिस्ट. Okay, you want to be, right? ऐसा तो कोई नहीं है ना जिसको नहीं आना इस लिस्ट में. You want to be here, right? And if you want to be here, you just have to realize that the path to that starts here, starts here, starts here. So just get a bit serious about your life and think the big picture, okay? So the original question of this video was why most of you will not get IIT, because आपको बड़ी picture दिख नहीं रही है, because you're not seeing that this is the fastest way to get ahead in the ladder of life. And the day you realize this, the day you realize that every second that you waste is a second away from this position, every minute that you waste is a minute away from this position, every month that you wait is a month away from this position, okay? So another way to visualize this is, imagine something that you always wanted in your life, okay? So let's say boys को cars का शौक होता है, जैसे girls को, ठीक है, फिर वो थोड़ी मिसोजिनिस्ट फेमिनिस्ट वाली बातें आ जाएगी. सो ठीक है, एक ही का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, कार वाला. So let's say you want a really nice car, you want, let's say, a Ferrari, okay? You want it, right? So imagine that every year that you're wasting, every month that you're wasting is a month away from that Ferrari, okay? एक महीने बाद मिलेगी. जैसे आप सोचो ना, आपको कोई इंपॉर्टेंट चीज खरीदनी है, आपको वो चीज आज चाहिए कि एक महीने बाद चाहिए. You want it today, right? You want something that you like, you want it today. So why are you waiting? Chase your dreams and start studying for your exams today itself, okay? And if you need more help for it, then our course is always there for you. But again, this course is not for the weak hearted. अगर आप पढ़ने वाले बच्चे नहीं हो, आप टाइम पास करोगे केवल, तो ये कोर्स मत लो. मैं खुद कह रहा हूँ, you should not take it. you should never visit my app, never visit my website, and you should also not visit my channel also. अगर आप पढ़ने वाले बच्चे हो, आप पढ़ोगे इस कोर्स को लेके तो ही लेना, और अगर आप लेते हो उस केस में, ट्रस्ट मी, देयर इज नथिंग बेटर इन दिस वर्ल्ड देन दिस. ओके, इट विल हेल्प यू क्लियर एग्जाम्स, आपकी बैकलॉग्स भी क्लियर हो जाएंगे, आपका रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा. सब कुछ मैंने इसमें पर्सनली भी कवर किया और मेरी टीम ने भी कवर किया. पूरी टीम मैं सिलेक्ट करता हूँ, हर एक करिकुलम, हर एक लेक्चर मेरे थ्रू होके जाता है. ओके, बाकी सारे डिटेल्स आपको ना डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐप पर, वेबसाइट पर मिल जाएंगे. प्रीव्यू, डिस्क्रिप्शन, कंटेंट, सब कुछ आपको वहां दिख जाएगा. फिर आप एक इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. तो इसमें एक 1 ईयर का पूरा प्लान आता है, वो आप लीजिएगा. सबसे ज्यादा इकोनॉमिकल है वो. यू विल एब्सोल्युटली लाइक इट. बट गेट इट टुडे 5th जून और टुमारो 6th जून, बिकॉज उसके बाद इसकी प्राइजेस बढ़ जाएंगी. सो आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. आई होप दिस काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेट, मतलब थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट था ये वीडियो. मैंने इसमें कोई स्पेसिफिक जेई की बात नहीं की, थोड़ी हमने बिगर पिक्चर की बात की. सो लेट मी नो इफ यू लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट. आई विल मेक मोर ऑफ इट, एंड द लिंक ऑफ एवरीथिंग, कोर्स वगैरह का लिंक, सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. गेट इट टुडे, गेट इट नाउ, एंड गेट स्टार्टेड विथ योर स्टडीज. डोंट वेस्ट एनी टाइम. ओके, आई वांट यू टू इमेजिन योरसेल्फ हियर, एंड एवरी सेकंड दैट यू आर वेस्टिंग इज अ सेकंड अवे फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, गुड लक.